Listening 1. Listen and color.
The ball is green. The teddy bear is orange. The car is red. The doll is yellow.
Listening 2. Listen to the words. Look at the pictures. Fill in the correct circle. 1.
This is my car.
2.
This is my teddy bear.
3.
This is your doll.
4.
This is your ball.
Listening 3. Listen. Put a check or a cross in the box. 1. This is your doll. 2. This is your teddy bear. 3. This is your ball. 4. This is your car.
Listening 4. Listen and color.
That is her pencil case. It's green. That is her pen. It's pink. That is her eraser. It's white and blue.
Listening 5. Listen and color.
Rosie's hat is red. Tim's hat is green. Rosie's kite is red and orange. Tim's kite is green and purple. Rosie's ice cream is brown. Tim's ice cream is pink.
Listening 6. Listen and write.
1.
It's a giraffe. It's tall.
2.
It's an elephant. It's big.
3.
It's a monkey. It's small.
Listening 7. Listen and match.
Terry is a cat. Eric is a dog. Penny is a bird. Susie is a fish.
Listening 8. Listen. Put a check or a cross.
I'm done. I like meat, carrots, and rice. I don't like yogurt or bread.
My name is Na. I like bread, carrots, and rice. I also like yogurt. I don't like meat.
Listening 9. Listen. Fill in the correct circle. 1.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I do. I like milk.
2.
Do you like bread?
No, I don't. I like fish.
3.
Do you like fish?
No, I don't. I like bread.
4.
Do you like water?
Yes, I do. I like water.
5.
Do you like water?
No, I don't. I like juice.
Listening 10. Listen, draw, and color. 1.
This is Sarah. She has blue eyes. She has long hair. It's straight and black.
2.
This is Rick. He has green eyes. He has short hair. It's curly and brown.
3.
This is Ling. She has brown eyes. She has long hair. It's straight and black.
Listening 11. Listen and write. 1.
I'm wearing jeans. And you?
2.
I'm wearing a red skirt.
3.
I'm wearing a yellow shirt. And Jim?
4.
He's wearing a t-shirt.
Listening 12. Listen and check the box. 1.
What is he doing?
He is playing music.
2.
What is she doing?
She is singing.
3.
What is he doing?
He's eating.
4.
What is he doing?
He's dancing.
Listening 13. Listen and match.
This is my family. My sister is taking photos. My dad is washing the car. And this is me. I'm brushing my hair.
Listening 14. Listen and write.
A train and a truck. A crab and a drum. I draw with my crayons and I have fun. A girl in a dress. A bird in a tree. Get your crayons and draw with me.
Listening 15. Listen. Put a check or a cross in the box. 1.
She can run.
2.
She can't ride a bike.
3.
She can't fly.
4.
She can catch.
5.
She can't play soccer.
Listening 16. Listen and check the box. 1,
She can dance.
2,
He can read.
3,
She can talk.
4,
He can catch.
Listening 17. Listen and write.
I can't fly in the sky. I'm a train in the rain. I can't fly in the sky. I'm a train, not a plane.
Listening 18. Listen and color. 1,
What color is the old teddy bear?
The old teddy bear is blue.
2,
What color are your new jeans?
My new jeans are black.
3,
What color is your kite?
It's green and orange. It's a great kite.
Listening 19. Listen and write. 1,
Where's the pillow? It's on the bed.
2,
Where's the book? It's on the shelf.
3,
Where's the blanket? It's on the bed.
4,
Where's the pen? It's on the shelf.
5,
Where's the t-shirt? It's in the cabinet.
6,
Where's the teddy bear? It's on the rug.
Listening 20. Listen and write.
I'm sure there's a mouse in my house. A poor mouse in my house. He's on a tour. I'm sure. A tour around my house.